Hey guys, good day. My name is Karen from SuccessWithKaren.com, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about 4 reasons why most people do not become wealthy. So the first reason is that it just doesn't occur to them that it is possible for them. Most people surround themselves with other people who are kind of like them financially. If it's on school or on their daily jobs or their home friends, people they hang out with on the daily basis are kind of like them financially, and they don't have like a model to look up to and kind of like take the steps that he took to become wealthy as well. Now the second reason is that they just never decided to become wealthy. Now deciding to be something that you're not, it makes you need to take steps or take actions and do things that you weren't used to do before to become something that you're not. So most people, they may want to become wealthy, but they just don't decide to start doing things that they're not used to do in order to become wealthy. The third reason is procrastination. Now, people might decide to become wealthy, and people might even surround themselves with people that are wealthy, but it's always never the right time to start like actually doing the things you need to do to become wealthy. Now remember, it's always a matter of getting out of a comfort zone. I mean, if you want to become wealthy, you have to do things that you're not used to do, and you need to start procrastinating. Just decide that you want to become wealthy, and you're about to start taking action today. Now, it might be not comfortable at the start, but I can promise you that when time goes by, it'll become more and more easy as like time goes by. So just make a decision, and make a decision not to procrastinate. The fourth and last reason why most people don't become wealthy is the lack of time perspective. Now, time perspective is the amount of time that you take into consideration when you plan your day-to-day actions and your long-term future. For instance, saving money in order to do something very big. So the ability to kind of sacrifice in the short term, sacrifice today in order to make the long term better and become wealthy, like saving money, is something that is very, very important. People with long time perspective, they have a more kind of chance to become wealthy than people who like spend every dollar they have and don't invest their time, like invest their thoughts in planning their future and saving money in order to do that. So I really hope that this lesson today was good for you guys and that you learned something new. I more than welcome you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my fan page on Facebook. I wish you all a great day, and may we all become wealthy.